Connected Fleet is a cloud-based fleet management solution that extends your security system beyond the walls of your business and into the driver's seats of company vehicles. With Connected Fleet, we supply you with the important vehicle data and the insights you need to run your commercial operations at full capacity, all through the Alarm.com for Business platform. Manage your fleet maintenance needs, evaluate driving behaviors, and track vehicle locations in real time with our easy-to-use management dashboards. Access your fleet's fuel consumption and fuel efficiency to stay cost-effective and save money. Get notifications when vehicles are running low on fuel, have maintenance lights on, or are being driven dangerously, like speeding or hard braking. Get fleet trip reports on demand for a complete breakdown of your fleet operations, or have them sent to your email automatically on a monthly, weekly, or daily basis. Having a capacity of 100 vehicles per business location, Connected Fleet can scale as needed and adapt to any small, medium, or enterprise-level business. With Connected Fleet, you can seamlessly add our telematics experience to your pre-existing ecosystem of Alarm.com products and services.